Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher, Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. Today I would like to share you my Facebook group, which is beneficial for you for the communication with me and interacting with me. I used to upload necessary content regularly, so you may join my group and look at the posts that I used to share on my group. So you will be delighted to see there are many things on my group which are informative and regular updates of my videos. Whatever I upload on YouTube, I used to share on my Facebook group. So you will get benefit of it. I used to share you my Facebook group link here. This is my group, OA levels computer by Sir Fawad Akhtar, and I like to tell you my group name over here. It's I'm typing the group name so you may easily join it and get benefit from it. Actually, I'm using many applications right now, so my laptop is getting laggy, so that's why you encounter some glitches. Okay, now I'm typing the group name on the notepad. This is here. When you go to the facebook.com, you have to type groups and then type slash OA levels computer. This is basically my group name. So facebook.com slash groups slash OE levels computer. So this is my group name. So you may join right now and get updated and share with your friends. So we may grow together. Hope you liked it, and that's it for today. Thank you so much to take out the time. Allah Hafiz.